Mail will become eventually, and what the journey will look like for us to become a national authority. And as a leadership team, we made the decision to pursue becoming a national authority and taking the foundational work that we have done over these last 40 years and build on that reputation so that we are more top of mind for our best future customers. So how are we going to get there? In our world, when we talk about strategy for becoming a national authority or our strategy for tackling anything around here, what we mean by strategy is how do we win? And winners ruthlessly pursue customers and markets. And that is what we do as a sales team and what the sales and marketing team are looking to do to become a national authority. So what does that look like? This guy over here, this guy over here, that is what we want to be doing. We want to be shouting from the rooftops all of the values and benefits of doing business with United Mail. And how we get there is to make sure that our products and services are in line with what our customers want from us, both today and in the future. We need to meet their needs and then exceed their needs in the future. Search engine optimization is a big part of meeting that amplification need. And that is how we partner with our digital agency so that when any of our future customers or our future employees are looking for us or looking for services like ours, when they type that into Google or into their search engine, we are more likely to show up. It looks like media. What kind of media are we going to appear in? So this looks like trade journals. This looks like interviews, conferences that we attend. We have not historically attended a lot of conferences, especially at a national level, and we're going to get into that a little bit more. Speaking engagements. We need to make sure that we are invited to stages where our prospective customers and employees see us as an authority, meaning that we have a position, we have the ability to educate and inform on those products and services on the markets that we're serving. Networking has always been a big part of how we do business. That will continue to be the case, but we will also narrow that networking to the places where we are most likely to find our preferred clients. And of course, campaigns. We do this for our clients all day, every day. Now we need to apply this thinking more specifically to the emails, social media, and print and mail that we do to generate those leads and to close deals. This is an example of the marketing funnel and the sales funnel. Today, what we're going to talk about specifically with the sales funnel is about lead generation, lead qualification, estimating, and closing. The sales funnel relies heavily on referrals. This is where we are accepting in referrals from existing clients or from people out in our markets or people into us. Okay, so the audiences that we are serving are employees, prospects, and customers, and we want to do this on a national scale. This is the preferred client profile, and this is pulled, all of this information is pulled right from our VTOR, the Vision Traction Organizer. The purpose for United Mail is creating successful solutions for our clients. Our niche is securely delivering highly personalized communications. Our guarantee is that we take care of you and your customers the way you take care of your customers. And what that looks like in practice is that we are serving a national audience of consumers on behalf of our clients, and we always treat those customers the way that our clients do. Our target market, or the list, is businesses delivering large volume personalized communications to consumers in the continental US. So again, we've always been talking about being national, and now we're really putting that into practice. So all of that distilled into our preferred client. They have data-driven programmatic projects that are critical to their business success. We're already doing this over the last several years. The sales team has been laser focused on data-driven programmatic work. And we're coupling that with the work that Connie's team has done in IT to make sure that we have those automated solutions, the APIs that allow the storefront application that allow us to meet our clients where they are and do business with them in a way that's meaningful to them. And then likewise, those products and services move through production and we're able to do hourly daily data feeds. We're able to quickly get the information printed, variable data printing out into the production floor and get that work turned around, meeting the SLAs of those particular clients. So where are they and who are they? The markets that we're serving: healthcare, insurance, financial services, and then the next tier down are healthcare providers and higher education. And to the client, these projects that we're doing, they're either customer acquisition or customer retention programs. And the client is typically organized to manage one or the other by department or product. And we're seeing a lot of activity up here in these first three. And of course, their preferred products: it's print, it's digital communication, and it's mail. But it's right here in this nexus of all three of those coming together. And ideally, all together, those are feeding each other through triggers initiated by their customers or due to timing. For instance, print, mail, email, sync marketing with print and mail, and all of those working together to incentivize, to create action on behalf of their customers. Okay. And of course, those preferred connections are API, automation, and storefront. Ideally, what our clients want from us is that those triggered campaigns, that they're more reliable in terms of volume than perhaps a storefront project where we're relying on the client to do it yourself, the orders. That's why automation and API using templates is really ideal for this national presence. When we talk about the marketing funnel, which serves the sales funnel, what we're doing here is this is what's called, we're sort of outside the funnel, or word of mouth. So awareness: when one of our clients, before they're a client, when they're thinking about the projects they need to get done, when their boss or in their strategic planning, they know that they need services like ours, or they're unsure whether there are services like ours out there, that's what we're trying to do, is create awareness. And when you're talking about becoming a national authority, you want to be top of mind. So this is the work that we're doing with marketing, or the work that we're doing to get people in the funnel, as you see here. And so what does that look like? How do we do that? Part of what we're doing is attending national conferences, like the conference that I'm currently at today. In March, we attended Rise National. We received an RFP for HealthMine immediately at that conference. It was held in Denver, Colorado, or just outside Denver. And Beth Brown and Casey Hendrick attended, and it was specifically Medicare. So that's a big market that we serve is Medicare acquisition and retention campaigns. Vive Nationals, where I am right now, it's in Nashville, and it is healthcare technology. And then in April, we are attending Insurance Innovators and the Healthcare Compliance Association National Conference. And the purpose of attending these conferences is that we are in the spaces where our potential customers and decision makers are going to get their information about how to do their job better. So we're both learning about the markets that we want to serve, and we're also putting ourselves in the same rooms as the people who we ultimately want to do business with us. So this is a current comparison of our competitive landscape: R.R. Donnelley, Quad Graphics, Taylor Communications, O'Neill, and United Mail. And these are website visitors per month, and this is as of last year. So we have some work to do, and that's part of the initiative with our digital marketing to increase the number of website visitors across the country. And part of how we will do that is by investing in more advertising, by attending those national conferences, by putting out more content, blogs, article posts. We were talking about media. That all drives that early funnel marketing work, so that more people are coming to they're aware of us, and they're coming to our website for information. And this is an early indicator of how we're doing it. So what we're trying to do is get all of this email content, the print content, any merchandise that we put out there, to serve meetings and demos that will drive that work down this sales funnel and get us estimating projects and closing new deals to grow the business. Ultimately, back to where we started, we want our products and services to be industry leading. We want to make sure that what we are investing in products and services is meeting our preferred clients where they are and where they are going. Again, will help support all of this work. So as all of this is working together, we are supporting it with campaigns, just like what we do for our clients that are triggered by activity. So we can send them the right mail piece, we can hit them with the right email, we can give them a phone call at the right time, and measure all of that together so that we can continue to grow the business and win as an authority. Thank you.